A niche history, which is a pretty cool one. I haven't shown it yet. I have opened multiple times, I have opened the product history, but that one is a niche history, which is quite great to analyze as well. Yeah, we've analyzed a particular product if we wanted to, if we liked a particular scale, well, let's look at it, what it does with its reviews, how the sales are going, the revenue and stuff, the price. But if we combine all the products, we can see the whole overview. And this is a really important graph. If you understand how to analyze data already, it's one of the tools, one of the graphs you need to open first on any niche, in my opinion, because that's the average, the combination of everything, all the products. Again, there are 5 graphs to combine. That's why what I usually do is switch off and switch on 2 or 3 of them together to analyze how they affect each other. It's usually that the reviews affect revenue and sales. Let's do like that. Again, there's a really weird thing going on with reviews. Like I said, they grow and then they drop for some reason. Maybe they were fake, maybe something else happened.
Yeah, maybe listings got removed.
Listings got removed. Yeah,
also might be.
variants got removed. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yes, that's the that's the analysis for the whole niche. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand what you mean.
Yeah, that's a totally okay situation. It's just some listings, yeah, can be in their organic results today on the first 2 pages, but then the positions drop and new listings appear with lower amount of reviews. So the whole count of the niche drops. The whole count of the reviews drops in the niche. And that means, yeah, the lower competition, I guess. It means that the products with lower reviews can enter the first organic pages of the results. If the average review count is falling, it means the competition is falling. Well, we see that it doesn't have really bad, really high seasonality. Well, obviously, that's not a really seasonal product, kitchen scale. It's not a product for Christmas presents or some other day presents, and it's not a particular product for winter or summer. So it doesn't have any seasonality, as I see. Its average review count is quite high. And what else? Let's see the price, which is also really, really important. The price. Well, what we really often see is the price dropping in the niche, which is not a really good sign, yeah, because it should be going backwards. It should be rising if you want to enter the niche. It should be the product should be on trend. It should be trending and the price should be growing. But in this case, like 2 years ago, the average price was 27. Now maybe the production costs got lower, which is doubtful. But so for some reason, now the average price is like $20, $21, which makes very little, which makes up for very little profit, I guess, in my opinion. The products should cost at least 25 in such a niche to be profitable, because you have production costs, you have delivery costs, shipping, costs, FBA fees, and you also have to spend on ads because that's obviously a competitive niche. So $20 is not a really good one. Well, I've already said that that's a very average and competitive niche. I opened, but you can find your own much better. I think there are a lot of niches where the prices is growing, the competition is low, and so on. So you can look at the results for 2 years, for 1 year. You can download them, and we're closing this window.